We're doing it on Omega. Okay, this is episode 363, part 1. Tri-Brigade, Zodiac Tri-Brigade versus... pause that. Versus... ELDLICH, DOGMATIKA. And we're gonna go with this. I didn't even know you could put it to 0, but that's cool. Okay. What did I do there? Yeah, I've already normal summoned, so normal summon Nerval, linked it off Ral Mirage, and set 3. There was one incident where I got super polyed, and the hologram was so big that I thought it was my monster. Like, it was so big it was covering it up. I didn't even know that the card was upside down, and I thought I was able to attack, and yeah. Oh. Elblan, Ash. Ecclesia. Special activate effect. I'm gonna negate it with Solemn Strike. Black Awakening. Eldritch from the... See, I couldn't even see if this was an attack or not. Sometimes it's hard to see. Probably gonna take the hologram off when I'm actually doing a real duel instead of Fractal. Dump Kit, dump Nerval, add Karis. Normal summon Kit, banish Nerval and Kit. Farajit's effect, special summon Karis, banish those 2 for double Dragon Lord, and he super polyed me here. Right there. I thought that was my monster, but that's his monster. So I'm like, okay. What happened there? Draw and put back by Farajit. Yeah, I tried attacking and nothing happened. I was like, what the heck? Why can't I attack? He's like, I don't know. Eldland. What did he grab? The counter trap? Switch to attack. Kit, dump Nerval, add Fractal. Eldritch destroy. There it is right there. End phase or main phase 2. Banish to set. Banish to set. Yeah, it was over from here. I scooped this one. Yeah. Damn it. This one I win. Fractal Nerval add Kit, Karis, dump Kit, dump Fractal. Fractal? Yeah. Karis, banish those 2. Effect failure. What? Nerval. Activate effect. Banish those 2. 2 fractals, another effect failure. I thought effect failure was once per turn. Oh. Let's go link into Bearbrum. Set. It's gonna set 3, activate the Revolt, those 4, Shureg, Chainlink 1, 2, 3, add from Nerval, dump from Kit, banish from Shureg, Twin Twister, right on draw phase, discarding Fractal for those 2, and you blink and perm on Shureg, but battle 1, 2. I could have linked off for something here, but Bearbrum's gonna draw me the Revolt and put it back, so I needed another card. End phase, Conquistador, banish, set, Black Awakening, Eldlich in defense. Set and then his turn. Let the Solemn Strike here. I destroy Eldlich with the Shureg, Bearbrum direct, and this is linked off for Rugal, Bearbrum, and Shureg. Shureg's gonna draw me Nerval. Bearbrum's gonna draw me Revolt. I gotta put a card back. I put the Nerval back. Set the strike and Revolt. It's gonna dust there. I'm gonna have to activate the Revolt here. Those 4 for Shureg. Not activating Shureg's effect here. Kit Nerval. It's gonna banish to set. Let's see. Eldlich from the grave, send, add, special, gains 1000, cannot be destroyed by card effects. Rugal, special, fractal, and then Shureg's effect, banish, Eldlich, scooped it. Game 3, round 3. I screwed up on this one. I screwed up. Kit's effect, I dump Fractal. Eldlin. Pay 8, I ashed him. Gonna set. Draw. Like a storm, what was that? Guardian. Eldlin, dumping Aguero, Fractal, Nerval, add Kit. Almost on Kit. Banish those 2. Effect Veiler, like he. Jeez. So the Droplet and Strike, End Phase, Guardian, and Aguero. Scarlet and White Destiny. The Deer Servant. I should have. Just gonna get Ecclesia. Dumping Entis. Entis will pop. Judgment. Normal summon Ecclesia. Forbidden Droplet. And send Kit to the grave. Negating Ecclesia's effect. I think this is where I screwed up. Kit dumped. It's supposed to be Nerval, but it was Fractal. God dang. Getting ahead of myself here. He activates Scarlet in defense. Eldlich. I'm gonna go like this. I'm just gonna hologram size to 0. See better. See if they're in the attack, defense, or if it's my monster or his. Attack. Eldlin. Pay 8. Oh. Counter trap. Oh no. That's the counter trap right in the middle. I drew lightning storm. I activate it. He did not counter trap it. I set. This was pretty much over now. Its end phase, it activates White Destiny. Chained it with Scarlet. Set Conquistador. Summons ELDLICH. Was that from the deck? Hand or graveyard? Think so. I'm not sure. $800 from ELDLICH. ELDLICH. What do you send there? Not sure what he sent. Oh, okay, the Aquero to pop. Target and send. Okay, wide open. White Destiny banished, setting Aquero. Send Eldlin. Kind of back to the hand, special summon a zombie monster against 1000. Can't be destroyed by opponent's card effects. By my card effects. Eldlin, dump. Conquistador, and yeah, it's over right here. Oh. Silvermoondragon wins. A silver moon? Yeah, silvermoondragon. Does he have a deck? Let's check it out. Oh, he doesn't have a deck. I still don't know how to private the decks, or I don't know. I didn't even ask. I didn't even record the other ranked match because I was in a rush. But before I was 15, 27, 15, 11, and 185, 185. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.